My dear students of Section C, it was a big pleasure meeting you this morning on Monday, 16th September 2019. What we did today, in a very interesting way, was to know about what HR is, why do organizations need it, why all of us are HR practitioners in our own areas, whether we are from marketing, finance or analytics. To give you some basic information, the course name is BSL 3122 Human Resource Management with 3 credits. The course begins with HRM, what we did today. What's the management perspective? It will help you guys in formulating your own managerial style, your assumptions and your belief about the people. We will learn why HR matters more than ever now, and how does HR collaborate in creating organizations that can change, learn, move and act faster than competition, a key to future success. Don't you think it's a wonder that we want to join some organizations and we do not want to join the others because of their employer branding? Where does this come from? This interesting Chitkara MBA first year course deals with changing paradigm, viability of HR function, HR efficiency and HR competencies. And of course, it's going to include manpower planning, manpower recruitment, compensation and reward management, including the introductory concepts. We will surely add the definitions and approach to compensation and reward management, forcing driving theory and practice, trends and developments. We will not miss explaining you performance management, different elements of performance management, process and evaluation techniques, what are the issues, what are the dilemmas, why do some organizations are thinking of just eliminating the yearly appraisal system. What is the context? What is the design model of system? Another interesting topic is going to be human resource accounting, the balanced scorecard. Factors that led to thinking about scorecard approach, ideas underlying balanced scorecard, research by Kaplan, introducing balanced scorecard step by step. We will have case studies, we will have project work, we will know about the growing domains in HR like HR business partner, the shared services, talent acquisition, analytics and other tools in HR. And of course, we will not miss the challenges in the modern HR. While we will try to include everything here in these sessions, there are some suggested books. 1. Dessler, Human Resource Management, Pearson Education. 2. Tanuja Agrawal, Strategic Human Resource Management by Oxford University Press. 3. Armstrong Michael, Handbook of Strategic Human Resource Management by Kogan Page Publishers. In this playlist, which I have created today on the first day of our session on Marwan Career Coaching channel, I am trying to make you all good HR practitioners and HR users. I'm very excited to do a great job with you. All the best, and I look forward to see all of you tomorrow.